is it just me, or does anybody feel the way that I feel? They're just not being real. Tell me, is it just me, or is anybody thinking all the same shit? They're just not saying it. Or is it just me? Is it just me? Weddings are outdated, the show Friends was overrated. I think rich kids have it easy and